Step into a storybook life at this beautiful Cape-style home nestled right here in the heart of New Hampshire. Set on a peaceful, gently rolling lawn, surrounded by gorgeous stone walls and lovingly landscaped gardens, this home offers a quiet escape from the busy outside world. The whole property feels like something out of a dream, with colorful flowers blooming, tall old trees providing shade, and winding garden paths that invite you to slow down, breathe in, and just enjoy the moment. It's the kind of place where life feels a little lighter, where you wake up to birdsong, sip coffee under the trees, and feel truly at home. As you arrive, you'll notice how every corner of the yard has been thoughtfully maintained. The grass is lush and green, the gardens are filled with blooms, and the stone walls wrap around the home like a warm hug. There's a sense of love and care here that's hard to find these days. Step through the front door and into a warm and welcoming living room, the kind that just feels right. It's cozy without being small and filled with natural light, perfect for curling up with a book, watching a movie, or spending time with the ones you love. The formal dining area is just steps away, ready for holiday dinners, birthday cake, or quiet weeknight meals. And the kitchen, sweet and functional, has everything you need to cook up your favorite comfort food. It's a space filled with light and charm, just waiting for your touch. On the first floor, you'll also find a full bathroom, a guest bedroom, and even a laundry area, making life just that much easier, especially if you like the option of single-level living. Head upstairs and you'll find 2 more bedrooms. One of them much larger, perfect for a primary suite, a peaceful office, or even a cozy creative space. The rooms feel quiet and private, with views of the trees and garden all around. It's the kind of place where you can really rest, recharge, and feel at ease. What makes this home so special isn't just what's inside, it's the feeling you get when you're here. A feeling of peace, a sense of privacy and protection, a reminder that life doesn't have to be so rushed. This home is not just a house, it's a retreat. Whether you're looking for a quiet weekend getaway, a peaceful full-time residence, or a smart investment in a charming New England town, this property offers all that and more. The gardens are a true labor of love. Mature trees offer shade and color through all 4 seasons. Flowers bloom in spring and summer, while fall brings warm leaves and crisp air. Even winter feels cozy here. Picture snow gently falling over the stone walls while you're wrapped in a blanket by the window. Located in a lovely part of New Hampshire, this home keeps you close to nature while still offering easy access to local shops, cafes, and everything you need. It's the best of both worlds: quiet country